Shark IQ Robot Vacuum combines convenience with intelligence and performance. After each cleaning session, your robot vacuum automatically empties the dust bin into the bagless base, which holds dirt and debris from up to 30 cleaning sessions. With IQ navigation, your robot now maps your whole home, allowing you to select which rooms to clean right now with Shark Clean app or Amazon Alexa. The Shark IQ robot cleans row by row to assure total floor cleaning. With recharge and resume, it will return to the base, empty, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. And with Shark's powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, you get amazing cleaning performance. Wi-Fi troubleshooting. Make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network before trying to connect your robot. Typical home Wi-Fi networks support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Make sure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz network when you enter your username and password. Ensure your robot is turned on and you hear an audio prompt. Do not use a VPN or a proxy server. Make sure Wi-Fi isolation is turned off on the router. There may be instances where your Shark robot loses connectivity while operating due to a weak Wi-Fi signal, or entering a zone that blocks Wi-Fi. Press the switch on the side of the robot to turn off the power. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn the power back on and wait for the voice prompt. Power off your phone. Wait 30 seconds and power back on. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Find the Shark network, then select Forget Network. Reopen the Shark Clean app and retry the connection process. It is normal for your robot to temporarily lose connectivity when it goes under furniture or moves far from your router. Your Shark robot will automatically reconnect to Wi-Fi. If for some reason the robot does not reconnect on its own, remove the unit from the dock. Power the robot off. Wait 10 seconds, power the robot back on, and place it back on the dock. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. IQ navigation with total home mapping. Instead of randomly bouncing, Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL maps your home and cleans row by row, room to room. Number 2. Total home mapping with room select. Home mapping lets you select which rooms to clean immediately, or schedule a whole home clean through the app. Number 3. Row by row cleaning. Delivers 50% better coverage by cleaning row by row without repeating areas versus Shark ION R750. Number 4. Recharge and resume. Returns to the base, recharges, and can pick up where it left off. Number 5. App and voice control. Tell your robot where or when to clean with the app or with voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 6. Ultimate convenience. Your robot empties automatically after every cleaning session into a bagless base that holds up to 45 days worth of dust and debris. Number 7. Powerful suction. The Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL tackles large debris, small debris, and stuck-on dust on your floors and carpets. Number 8. Designed for homes with pets. Powerful suction and a re-engineered brush roll combine with a high-efficiency filter that captures dust, dander, and allergens. Number 9. Dual spinning side brushes. Side brushes pull in debris from edges and corners. Number 10. Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. A bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Number 11. No hair wrap. Self-cleaning brush roll removes pet hair and long hair as it cleans. No more hair wrap. Number 12. Faster mapping. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map compared to the previous model AV1001AE. Number 13. Better carpet cleaning. Improved carpet cleaning performance compared to the previous model AV1001AE. Number 14. Phone or voice command. Schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 15. Perfect for homes with pets. Designed for homes with pets, this automatic vacuum features a self-empty base, a multi-surface brush roll, and a multi-stage filtration system to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the self-empty base? Answer. The Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL includes a bagless base that holds up to 45 days worth of dust and debris before being emptied, for a hands-off cleaning experience, unlike robots that need to be manually emptied after each cleaning. Question number 2. How does the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL map your home? Answer. Your robot uses thousands of data points to assess its location and create a map, identifying rooms, uncleaned areas, and edges. With home mapping, you can choose rooms to clean immediately or schedule a whole home clean via the Shark Clean app. Question number 3. Can I connect the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL to my smart home? Answer: yes, your robot can connect to your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa devices. Control your robot in the Shark Clean app to schedule cleanings and review cleaning reports from anywhere. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.